Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make number templates and cutters for cakes, and you get to save some pennies. You really don't need to buy every tool in the trade. Okay, so I start with my Word document. As you can see, I've written number 1 to 9. I like to use the Algerian font because it's nice. So highlight all that, and I tend to use the size 450. You don't have that on the tab, so you can just type it in 450, press enter, and that's the size you're looking for. Now that's in the portrait orientation. In order to fit more numbers onto your sheet, I like to use the landscape. So change that to landscape there, and now I can fit 3 numbers in one page. So I have number 1s to 9. Oops, I forgot my 0. So add your 0 because you need to make 10 if you have a 10-year-old. So that's 1 to 0. So now what you want to do is print that out. So that's my prints all done. Then you get your laminate paper, or your laminate sheet, not papers. So you take it out, slot your printed sheet in, and make sure you have space in all the corners so it's nice. You can have a nice seal. So just run that through your laminate machine. Of course, it has to be nice and hot before you start doing that. So you run it through. I like to do it twice so that it's basically perfectly sealed. So after the first one comes out, I would run it through it one more time. And this is useful so that when we do decide to cut it, it's not too loose. So that's it all cut. Well, that's the first one cut. So just cut everything else like that. And once you've cut everything, that's all your numbers out there. Unfortunately, I don't have a video to show it being cut out on the sheet, but here are some cakes that we've done with using the number template. It's nice, simple, and lovely. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like and share our channel and visit our other social media platforms. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them below, and we'll see you next week.